we are having another competition between you two. It's just general knowledge and seeing who is smarter. And let's get started. First question from the general knowledge section. Which city is home to the world's largest deep sea port?
Pakistan.
Gwadar?
Oh, no, Gwadar, yeah.
Gwadar.
I accidentally thought country.
Okay. You both get a point, of course, because, yeah, you both got it right. Pakistan's national fruit?
Is it mango?
Aryan got it.
Oh,
Okay, good Aryan, very good. Pakistan's national animal?
animal, is it the markhor?
Ayan got this one.
It is.
You guys are both
the
right,
goat
tie right.
species, yeah.
Huh?
The goat species.
Yeah, it's a good species. You guys are both tied right now. Okay. Try to get more points than each other. Okay. Good till now. What's Pakistan's national bird?
Is it sparrow? No,
No.
parrot.
No.
Yep.
I
Then what can I
I
do?
cannot think. Huh?
Hummingbird?
No.
Any sort of hint?
It starts with shoe.
Shoe.
It's hard, so I'm giving a better, easier hint. Like
Shoes. Not what we expected.
do you guys give up? Should I tell the answer?
Yeah.
This one is actually very hard. Like, not everyone would know the answer. But the answer was Chakor. Question number 5. How many minutes are in a week?
Total week. 3,560.
No.
To
Let me repeat the question. How many minutes are in a full week?
1,500.
Let's do it an estimate. Because
Yeah,
it's a hard. Okay.
Whoever is the closest.
Yeah, an estimate.
24,000. No, not 24,000. 17,000.
Okay.
540. My one is 1,500.
1,500.
Yeah.
And Aryan?
17,440.
Ayan got it closer. It was actually 1,080. Yeah.
So less. I knew it because yeah.
Okay, let's move on to the next question. वो कौन सी चीज है जो पानी में दिखती है लेकिन गीली नहीं होती?
Pani. Fish.
गीली नहीं होती.
Pani.
पानी गीला होता है भाई.
पौधे. चेहरा.
No.
गाय.
Okay. Take your guesses.
Fish.
No. But it's related.
Fish related. Coral.
Face related, bro.
Face related. Gal. Eyes.
No.
Hairs.
Gila. Of course, hairs get wet.
Nose. Mouth.
Guys, stop it.
Why?
Start thinking a bit.
Words get literally then.
Teeth. You guys are taking useless guesses.
Tongue?
Please. हाँ?
Tongue. चेहरा.
वो क्या चीज है जो दिखती है पानी में लेकिन
Give up.
गीली नहीं होती? You can see it, but it doesn't get wet.
Give up. It's a very easy one. चेहरा.
It's related to that.
A swimsuit.
Do you guys want me to give you a hint?
Yeah.
It's mirror related. This one is very easy, please.
Light.
No.
Light.
Can you see light? No.
Then what is it?
Mirror related.
Mirror. Reflection.
Ayan got it, but those were so many hints, of course. Okay. तो क्या चीज है जिसको पैदा होने से पहले भी खाते हैं और मरने के बाद भी?
What can it be? Can you repeat the question again?
वो क्या चीज है जिसको पैदा होने से पहले भी खाते हैं और मरने के बाद भी?
Hint. No.
No, it's like I'll explain you the question. What's one thing that you can eat when it is alive, before it is alive, and after it's dead. You can eat the thing before it's alive and after it's dead too. Do you guys want a hint?
Yes. Yeah.
It's an animal related.
Is it an animal?
What animal?
Tiger. Milk.
Kangaroo.
No. It
Cheetah.
is milk.
Milk. You can. What's one thing that you does milk?
Milk never
can-
dies.
It never dies. Neither is it ever born.
What can it be then?
Imagination. Something that you can eat before the thing is born, and after.
I don't know.
Do you guys want me to tell you the answer?
Yeah.
Hint.
He gave up. Bro,
I gave you.
how many hints?
You gave up. I didn't. I give you guys the hint, and it's your job to tell me the answer.
Give up. I give up.
A chicken's egg, murgi ka anda.
I was thinking of it. Oh my god.
You can eat a egg
I
because
was
it's
thinking chicken, but then I thought like, you know. I have a question for the audience. Which came first, the egg or the chicken?
Okay, wow. I think that's a very old question. I think you do
It
know
has
the
an answer, actually.
Yeah, of course it does. Even I know it, you know it, everyone knows it, right? Okay. वो कौन सी जगह है जहाँ सब बैठ सकते हैं लेकिन आप नहीं?
हम नहीं बैठ सकते लेकिन और सब बैठ सकते. What can it be?
Go on, take your guesses.
My powers.
The hint. It's part of your body.
Fingernails.
Finger.
Yeah, actually finger.
Can anyone sit on them?
Fingers. No. You can actually. Very crazy, you know. You can actually sit on them. What can it be then?
Bro, give it to me, but if I answer, you're not letting me.
हम नहीं बैठ सकते लेकिन और सब बैठ सकते हैं.
Go on, take
Maybe
your guesses.
Oh yeah, you actually gave a hint. Our legs.
No.
Legs.
No.
People can sit on them. Thighs.
What is the thing called? What is the thing? What is the place called?
Laps.
Or your lap.
Yeah.
Aryan got it first. Ayan, you win, but you both did very good.